Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have just discovered the best traveling companion. Let me introduce you to my Minus33 Merino Wool hoodie.
So recently I traveled to a South American country, and it didn't matter if I was walking around in the city doing some sightseeing or whether I was doing some trekking in the mountains. This hoodie was perfect for all occasions. And as we started traveling into higher elevations and the temperatures started to drop, I was so happy that I had this hoodie because it protected me from those conditions. All I had to do was just pull up my hood and it protected me from the cold and from the wind. And it kept me toasty warm because of the natural soft fibers that it has. And it had such nice extra features like the big pocket on the inside as well as the front pocket, both big enough to fit a cell phone. And after the trip, all I had to do was wash it in cold water and hang it to dry, and then it was good to go. Now, I'm 5'6" and I usually wear a size large, but according to their sizing, I picked an extra large and it fit me perfectly. And the sleeves were great too because it was just long enough where I could put my thumbs in the thumb holes and have plenty of room.
So if you want to stay toasty warm and have the perfect traveling companion, I highly recommend this Minus33 hoodie, and that is just my point of view.